Hail to the queen, right? Yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this, or how to make this a crown. It was introduced by Beyonce, I remember, so when she was pregnant with the twins. I don't remember what show she was performing at, but it was very, very big. You know, like she had the theme of Virgin Mary. Controversial, I know, Beyonce for you. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to be showing. You can do this when you're going for a photo shoot, if it's like a special costume event, any of that. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, you know. Anyway, so that is it. Yeah, let's get on to the video. Let's So for tools, you're going to need a hairband, and I'm using this black one. You're going to need a cutter or scissors, and then you're going to need skewers, and these are the ones that I used to make mshikaki. You can get them at your local supermarket. And then you're going to need glue, and I'm going to be using my glue gun. Works really well for me. So let's start off the process. To add, you're going to need a cardboard. So here I'm making an outline of my head with the help of this hairband. Make sure that you measure the right size so that this thing fits on your head perfectly. So I'm using this pen to enhance or enlarge the outline of my head, because I saw that the hairband was a little bit smaller. And then go ahead and cut that off with scissors. You're going to be left now with the cardboard that you're going to use to stick the skewers. You're going to be left with something looking like this, and then we'll go ahead and start to stick the skewers. So first of all, make sure that you make an outline like I'm doing here. I'm going to stick the first skewer at the far end, and then I'll stick the other one at the center, and then stick the other one at the other end. And what this does is just creates or helps you make an even distribution of the skewer so that they look uniform and the crown comes out perfectly. Now after doing that outline, I'm going to now fill in the spaces. So I'll stick one between the two first skewers, and then the next one between the two other skewers, and then that is the drill really. After doing that, you're going to have an idea of the shape that you want, and then just keep filling those spaces gradually, and the crown starts to shape up. Within your place. How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go again. So as you can see, the crown is beginning to take shape, and here I'm going to cut the skewers into 3/4 and use the shorter sticks to fill in the spaces that are left, and this is going to give the crown a better artistic look instead of having all the skewers with the same size. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. So this is what I meant. You see how it looks nice? It looks better. It looks cuter. And yeah, so you can go ahead and add accessories, spray paint things if you want, and that is my final look. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. I had fun making it, and I will see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel, and until next time, choose kindness. Bye guys.